The epic tale of Oduduwa, founder of the Yoruba kingdom. The origin of Yoruba. In the 12th century, Ile-Ife, Yorubaland. Welcome to the land of the Yoruba people, where the sun dips into the horizon and paints the sky with hues of crimson and gold. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the epic tale of Oduduwa, the founder of the Yoruba kingdom. There was a young lady in her mid-30s named Olufunmi. Oluwafunmi was born in the great city of Ile-Ife, the sacred capital of the Yoruba people. She was a direct descendant of Oduduwa, the legendary founder of the Yoruba race. Growing up in a family of skilled artisans, Oluwafunmi learned the art of weaving and dyeing from her mother. She became particularly skilled in creating beautiful adire cloth, which was highly prized throughout the land. As she grew older, Oluwafunmi became increasingly fascinated with the stories of her ancestors, who had migrated from the Middle East, Mecca, to found the Yoruba nation. She spent many hours listening to the elders recount tales of Oduduwa's bravery and wisdom. One day, Oluwafunmi decided to embark on a journey all the way from the United States of America to explore the lands beyond Ile-Ife. She traveled to the neighboring kingdoms, marveling at the diverse cultures and traditions of the Yoruba people. Along the way, she met many people who were eager to learn from her and share their own stories. Oluwafunmi's journey took her to the great river Ocean, where she encountered the powerful goddess of fertility and love. The goddess revealed to Oluwafunmi that she was destined for greatness, and that her weaving skills would be used to create sacred cloth for the Yoruba people. Returning to Ile-Ife, Oluwafunmi dedicated herself to honing her craft. She created beautiful cloth that told the stories of her ancestors and the gods. Her work became renowned throughout the land, and people came from far and wide to seek her out. Oluwafunmi's legacy lived on, inspiring generations of Yoruba artists and storytellers. Her name became synonymous with excellence and creativity, and her cloth was cherished as a symbol of Yoruba culture and identity. This story is a fictional account, but it is inspired by the rich history and culture of the Yoruba people. Oduduwa is a legendary figure in Yoruba mythology, and his legacy continues to be celebrated and honored today. Here is a Yoruba tale from the time of Oduduwa. The story of Oduduwa and the founding of Ile-Ife. In the beginning, the world was a vast and empty space, waiting to be shaped and filled by human beings. Oduduwa, the great Yoruba king, was sent by the gods to create a new homeland for his people. Oduduwa descended from the heavens on a chain, carrying a 5-toed chicken, a palm nut, and a handful of soil. He landed on a hill at Ile-Ife, where he met the indigenous people, the Igbo. The Igbo were a fierce and proud people, but they welcomed Oduduwa and his followers. Oduduwa used the 5-toed chicken to scratch the earth and create a settlement. He planted the palm nut, which grew into a mighty tree, providing shade and sustenance for the people. As the years passed, Ile-Ife flourished under Oduduwa's leadership. He established the Yoruba kingdom, with its capital at Ile-Ife, and became the first Uni, king, of the Yoruba people. Oduduwa had several children with his wife, Olikan. Some of their children were 1. Obatala, also known as Orishola. 2. Odudu, also known as Ojuwa. 3. Ogan, also known as Ogan. 4. Olikan, also known as Oliokan. 5. Oluwafunmi, also known as Age. 6. Oranmian, also known as Oranian. 7. Olifin, also known as Oliofin. 8. Ajibagan, also known as Jibagan. 9. Olebu, also known as Olyaban. 10. Olutipin, also known as Olutipon. 11. Oajol, also known as Wajol. 12. Okanbi, also known as Kanbi. 13. Orangan, also known as Aringel. 14. Olojijan, also known as Oloijan. Obatala was the eldest son and successor to Oduduwa's throne. He was a wise and just king, loved by his people. Odudu was the second son and was known for his bravery and military prowess. Ogun was the third son and was a skilled hunter and warrior. Olekan was the only daughter and was a beautiful and kind-hearted princess. Oduduwa's wife, Olekan, was a powerful queen and a skilled healer. She was revered for her wisdom and spiritual powers. Together, Oduduwa and Olekan ruled the kingdom with wisdom and justice. The kingdom of Ile-Ife was a powerful and prosperous state under Oduduwa's rule. The kingdom was known for its advanced agriculture, architecture, and artisanship. The people of Ile-Ife were skilled craftsmen, producing beautiful works of art in wood, metal, and textiles. The kingdom was also a center of learning and culture, attracting scholars and students from all over the region. Oduduwa was a patron of the arts and encouraged the development of music, dance, and literature. The kingdom of Ile-Ife was a federal state, with several smaller kingdoms and chiefdoms under its umbrella. Oduduwa was the supreme ruler, but he allowed each smaller kingdom to maintain autonomy and self-governance. Oduduwa's legacy was one of peace, prosperity, and cultural achievement. He established a strong and stable government, which lasted for generations. He encouraged the arts and sciences, and his court was renowned for its wisdom and learning. Oduduwa was also a skilled diplomat and strategist, able to maintain good relations with neighboring kingdoms and chiefdoms. He was a just and fair ruler, loved by his people, and his name became synonymous with wisdom, courage, and leadership. Overall, Oduduwa's children, wife, and kingdom were an integral part of his legacy, and his impact on the history and culture of the Yoruba people continues to be felt to this day. Oduduwa's legacy lived on through his children and grandchildren, who expanded the kingdom and established new cities. The Yoruba people prospered, becoming known for their wisdom, artistry, and bravery. To this day, the Yoruba people honor Oduduwa as their founder and ancestor, and Ile-Ife remains a sacred city, a symbol of their rich history and culture. Until next time we come your way again, for more interesting African folk tales, please, do take care of yourself and play safe. Thank you. Please, like and subscribe to this channel. Blockbuster TV for more intriguing tales.